Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for there. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. You don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Hey, the same way you say according to you say you carry chest, you chest every bullet, every arrow. Where they come meet that one, you say you dey chest am. You say you chest am. Like I say tomorrow not day. They say you now. Next, they say you now. They say they disgongolize that one every blessed day. We are coming to that. We never reach that. We never reach that area. We never reach that area. My people, when I don't share, now they waste my time. Only 26 share. I am more pray. More turn this program to prayer session. More pray, more pray, more pray. Oh, pray. Blessing on all hear the truth. I'm here to find the truth of Bontroway. And I have been able to gather some truth about her that I want to play and display to your hearing. And you are doing as if you are not interested. Why now? Let's see happen. You don't want Hashem and disgrace to go viral. What will it cost you to share? What will it cost you to share? Let Hashem and disgrace go viral. Yes. Yes. Very, very important. One of they like to some of another they like me truth they come at. No, they cover evil. You know good though. You know good. But now they support bad thing. That is the most annoying part. She is looking for truth of someone who our children are with. Maybe they say life no, this life not balanced. But the life be balanced, so now people will did the life not just balance at all. God not made mistake in creating this heads we are living in. He not made no mistake. There's no mistake in him. It's just that the human being he put in it. They're not balanced. They're not just balanced. They're not balanced. They're so confused. I don't share. God will bless you, Kate. God will bless you. Only 28 share. I ain't gonna praise and worship now we yet it a lot. Since maybe one find truth. Now they encourage me make I find my truth. Oh yeah now. Una know see me I play or small audio. The me I no go play. Or till una share. Call any come be what me. Oh come be. Benjamin agbe vera wa. Ovije I greet you Ovije Mercy Jesus. My lovely sister, I greet you. Can you imagine the nonsense? Can you imagine life? Person way on, doctor puts for your hand. You are busy. Serious. You know, how your life will take come together. Even the small boy where you carry Benjamin, till me at your age, you never reach 40 years, you don't born for till me. God bless every woman that born for different men. I'm not against it. You know, situation can cost it, but this is very wrong. Now stupidity. Woman where born 5 children for bongo. Yet, bro, what is supposed to do? Not be supposed to struggle, look for a better life for those children. Not you supposed to struggle, look for even though you won't even think of man. Now Ibo, Now Ibo. We go marry her. Give her documents. Help her bring those children come abroad. Make their life come better. Because there is there's future here. No, she's stupid. She said she gets sense. She be truth teller. When she not even fit tell herself the truth. Simple truth. She not fit tell herself. She not fit tell herself the simple truth. Say I dare you too. She's too zwa. Hell. I mean, if I make me not they like you too. You know if you talk as you like. Chai. I hate when they talk out the whole break. I don't like that kind of nonsense. Hey? When she don't say she's zwa totally. Oh, zwa. She do what? She carry small boy wey get wife and children. She carry small boy put for her. Like to the boy say, now 1.5 pikin she don't born for Africa, whereas now 5. Ask whether they see 1.5 pikin. As but through we come lie rich, he come lie say now 1.5 she fair born for Nigeria for Bongo. Whereas now 5. Now social media don't want for discover say now 5. Now social media don't want for discover say now 5. She lied and said now 1.5 pikin she don't born. Ask whether they see half. She used that math take key 3.5 come out. She can't say now 1.5 she gets. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? She can come out for inside with her mouth. She not fit tell herself the truth. Even when they invite her from her platform, she still also denied those children. Now remember, one platform of one man. Now remember, she also denied, say now 1.5. She born. Or say you go swear say now 1.5. You get. After long, come swear this, come swear that. Now she can't agree. Say na 3. From 3. The people of this world don't balance. Thank you, Friday. Thank you for sharing on YouTube. The people of this life not to balance. Now she go to agree saying that okay. In fact, I wait there before she agree. You never fit tell yourself the truth. How will people trust you that you can always even say the truth once in your life? Who can ever trust you? That person, somebody like you that cannot say. See, with the terrible parts in life is when you cannot even tell. See, if you not find yourself in a situation that you cannot even tell yourself the truth. It's a bad situation. Because no matter what, you should be able to tell yourself the truth. Come reconcile at all time. You should be able to tell yourself the truth. But in this born Trowe, one of Germany, 5 children, she refused to even tell herself the truth. Now this kind of person say, the truth must come out. I must find the truth. When be better people they never even say the but say they want to find truth. Now you, when don't you tell yourself the truth? Never found that person truth. Never come find truth of other person when you don't find your own truth. You don't tell yourself the truth. Your name is sorrow. I sorrow you. Your name is sorrow. I never start with you. You don't they go to call witch daughter for Nigeria. Tamia fien this party. Ye gian WhatsApp wa fien ye gian. Ya me WhatsApp. Oh ya ma me WhatsApp be yin o very high. Very high. Wa ya lord ye. Those witch daughter we go they call. It will shock you. Say, how did this woman tell no? How she tell no? Who she be? How she tell no? You be small picking. Where? So my people, as I was saying yesterday, make I explain. I want to lay foundation before I start. Mommy love, with due respect, can you stand up? If I stand up, you will not see it. It's a long gown. You will not see it full. Let me stand up. You guys wish is my command. Because you ask in a proper way, with due respect, can you stand up? I love that. Manner of approach matters a lot. You know, I wish you didn't put it well. Me, I get up. I pray with me, I get up. I don't know if you can see it. It's a long gown. Don't know. Very long. And now you're and now you're are you seeing it? Is it shake? It's a long gown. You can't see. It's a very long gown. Okay. You see the back. All right. Are you okay, my darling? You know, if you see down, you know, but who be this? Oh, Toby, you are here. You're welcome. He said, "What if they pay me pass? Give all people the supporter." Okay. It's a beautiful gown. If you need it, yeah, I sell. You can get it from me. Okay, at a very affordable price. You don't need to break bank. You don't need to break bank to look beautiful. That is just the truth. You don't need to break bank. If you need it, just contact me. Okay? Yes. So my people, as I was saying, this idiot YouTube when you want to like oh, I hate it. If I talk about the select word. No, not when you talk to dirty people. Some dirty. How they like to select word. I know they like them, but YouTube, oh God. I beg Jare, think they verse me. YouTube family, put me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe. We'll be constantly here every day. Subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Give me some thumbs up on that video, please. Oh yeah. So my people, this Bontroway, wanna see oh, na good I do for her. You see, she don't even go contact some witch doctor for moi. Hey, JBO. They tell her say, I see we're not bad, but you know if you do anything. After all, this woman, now good you do for you. You beat her for her good. This guy come after I feed her children. I help them. Even make some of my followers also contribute. What did she do? She come out for me every day on YouTube. Every day. Nothing where she not talk. That's when we say dirty full her body. She stink. She dey smell. She be dirty. She came out and want to fight me, beat me for my good. No, and that's one of the things I forbid as a twin. I do you good, you fight me. You will not go scot-free. No. Now what I they forbid with that? My spirit they harsh for that kind of nonsense. She fought me for every day for you too. She was insulting her life. Her miserable life, by the way. She was insulting her life. I know men. I know men at that time. I ignore her. She not rich. I said, well, God, I don't do my part. I'm supposed to even do more. But that time it was like, but the prayer, but throw away one of Jenny. The baby father, not they let me rest. It's not they let me rest every day. It always they call me, mommy, love, please. Cause when I send money to run that time, oh, that prayer finished for that man mouth. So they see person like this. Prayer finished for him mouth. That's why they pray for me. They are happy. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Anytime we see where we say the children not see it, why they say their mother? They insult her head for my good. The man will still call me. Go say they not see pure water I will drink. They not see anything chop. The children now does be they're going to pick food. The thing go still touch me. I'll say okay. Yes, I'll see transfer money. I'll see transfer money for the man account. Once in a while I was doing that. For them. For those 5 children where this Bontroway abandoned for Nigeria. And she did Facebook, they make noise. I keep on saying it. anybody that cannot cater for their child, if na garri, make pikin follow you drink am. If na rice, make pikin enjoy you eat am. If you are enjoying, make pikin enjoy with you. Pikin wey you born supposed to enjoy with you. If na still suffer, make pikin suffer with you. Yes. Yes. Make them suffer with you in any condition. Make those children experience am with you. Very, very important. You can't be seeing 3 square meal and the children you give birth to cannot hardly even see 1 square meal a day. And you tell yourself that you are living. You are not living. You are just existing, but you don't live. It's different from living and being existing. You are just what? Existing. You are not living. If you are a woman, you are a man, you are not in the life of your child. You are not living, my dear. You are just existing. And you are cursed as well. Like this Bontoro with the journey. She's cursed. She's cursed. She's cursed in the morning, in the noon, in the night. Even in the midnight hour, she's cursed. Yes. You don't feel born like foul. Born finish. You turn your back. It's not done. It's not a good thing. Not a good thing at all. My people, why they talk, make I select audio. I want to share this video, okay? Share this video, share. Ah, my people, what's happened? I never share. So I know I hear when they lace, when Benjamin won't key, a prayer, when they use blood to the lace her. I know I hear her. Okay now. Okay. No wala. Okay. No problem now. As I was saying, my people, I did my own. When a prayer sister bring him matter, the bone throw away. One of Germany, when sister bring him matter, for me say, Onga wan kill these children. See the situation where they dey. Their man they are alive, but Onga wan kill them. Now I say, because of the good heart when I get. Now I say, so okay, let me help. And some good people still join me, we help. At that time. We have finished. This girl starts come out, they sort her life. Even matter that time, even cause quarrel between me and Gladys. When she come out, make people donate. I don't know that some of you still remember. When she also make donation for her platform. Later she go say she not gonna release the money. Me, I bring the my account out. I didn't bring my account. She go say she not gonna bring the money. And people, one of the person where donate that money can call me say now so she donate £50. Her sister also donate where they Europe also donate €50. Now this one say one, okay, yes, I remember, okay, thank you. Some people say they remember. Now I say why? Okay, people say they remember. Now I say as the woman come, now say why Gladys go seize the money? This money is meant for these children. They're not there in good condition. You know if you use their money to make donation and you'll say you're not going to release the money for those children. I felt bad. As you see me, so I know they like oppression. I know they like me person, they carry person and go back, they collect it beyond. I know they like her. When I get school, that I know they get personal issue with people. Now when I see that they oppress person, I will intervene and say, no, it's not supposed to be like this. If I get argument with person, na person fight, they make me get, na person wahala, make me get arguments. Me, I know they like oppression. I feel that fight will become my own. I'll tell you, say step aside. Me and that person go your first body, that's what my life be. I don't like oppression. Now I say, why you not go release the money? I call the tell Gladys, I call do video, come and because those people wait. One of the people, some people wait, the lady and the sister wait, they call me. Say, sis, they don't donate. And Gladys say no go release the money again. Say because say Vera, the Bontoro way is sort her. Now I say, not today you know say they sort you. Now out of more, out of your good, I say you want to do for make a donation for these children. But those money supposed to go for these children. You're not supposed to seize them. Nice cause problem between me and Gladys. Me and Gladys don't get personal issue. Now don't cause square between me and that time we dig down to some extent. We can't still forget. Everybody, I go your way and go my way. Now this matter, I wanna see the insult when I take because of this bantro way, children way about for Africa. Still, he still come out, gonna insult my enemy for my own good, for my own money. Wait, when me send my own hard earned money, when me send to our children, when me not born. Do I deserve such insults? No, I don't. If not me, that kind of person, I go hold you respect tight. That kind of person wait me well for my own pikin, my own children. If not me, that person, no matter what, I can never insult that person. And that is one of the reasons why I will deal with this girl, this April. I will deal with her. Yes. I'm going to deal with her. I'm going to show to her that I am, and I want to tell her, say, I'm not your mates in anything. Good evening, Joe Blessing. Good evening, Odiase, Vivian. Good evening. I'm seeing you guys. Please give me thumbs up, share, subscribe, and all of that. Okay? And the good Lord will bless you really good. Share what they hear, my people. Huh? Now it comes between me and Gladys. This children matter where this idiot born through away so for Africa. Me and Gladys will not get personal issues. Now that money we say not go release, and people don't donate time, and you use these children say me they donate. Imagine that kind of thing not good. I don't want to vex me. Now say, no, it's not good. No, these children are suffering. Whether their mama insult you, insult you. No, you look those children. Okay, me see the way they once in a while they give that man money, say, okay, see, buy food. Not be me, this but you take build a YouTube that year. They insult his head day and night. I care, I don't care. What they do for the children? Yeah, they say it's not because of soup, chop ebe. You go because of the ebe, chop the soup. You can be mother. You understand me, my people? Still. Mona here how she take the stretch neck for the money where they donate for my platform. This girl useless wish. Let's play that one first. Mona here how she take stretch neck. The same me when she is so day and night for YouTube. That money when me donate plus my people where they follow me. Mona see as it take stretch neck, as it take God, so people don't get shit. Mona listen, and they come. My people, when they find the audio, what they take out kade and they come. Mona yell, how she take longer throat for my own money. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they call my people and they find something. I don't say I'm gonna listen, some people not got shame. The same me when you they insult for YouTube. The same money when me donate for children when me not born. You they alive. And I feed your children. You're not supposed to respect me. You need to say to tell you say respect that woman. My good no go kill me. When my good go take me, go keep us when I do it for. That's all. In other words, if I feed your children, now you I feed. What I do for your children, now you I do it for. You do understand? What I do for your children, now you I do it for. You cannot eat my food and curse me, and that curse will penetrate. No way. My good no they kill me. We go take him, go keep us when me do it for. That is life. That is life. You see? See the witch doctor now you don't contact now. They say, no. You don't feel come and come chase me. Yeah, the true finder. Come chase me now. Wow. Wow, come chase me. Emi bunya ya gwe. Like gwe. Awa le gawe. Awa piri. What's your way road? Show me the way. Where road? My mommy love, one of Spain. I'm a bareva. Uwaku. And people wanna listen. This my daughter fine. I don't understand that. Okay. Listen, no. I don't know that they hear. Mona, listen. If you are there, yeah, but Mona, let me know.
Only a problem. It does in a bagua. Obia Esther Dokbayi. Even Obia secret. I had to touch me just where I may woo. I have a girl we away. Many are Chinese applications in a bagwater. Here, my setting. Esther Dokbayi. Okay, we again, I know set our celebrity. Ebony, that fine lady. You understand?
Oh, this is not light. I don't know that they hear. Try.
You understand?
Una de yes, so.
Jennifer, now we are my bog. Worry at your own, worry at. Only my and what men very at Iba. We are my colleague. Only the Jennifer Tani. I know go can I have young when I want a cup of tea.
Okay, una de yeah. Okay. Mona, listen.
So when you are okay. I don't want to love no we don't call it because I have money like you go there account in there. Really cover.
When I see the log I show for money when me donate, give the children when she born throw away. And they come. Una de yeah? Oh my Jesus. The money when we donate plus few of my followers. This girl was just longer throats. How the man spend the money? How much she be? He said she not get no shame. Very shameless human being. You there alive. A total stranger. They donate for your children to chop. Is that not a shame? You are alive. Is that not a shame? One and listen, my people, I'll carry her back small. I want one and yeah, where?
We are my colleague.
Very shameless idiot. Man, I listen. Nobody
will not react. So when you are okay. I don't want to love no rock. We don't call it because I have to have money. Like you go to that account in there. When it covers, we go not we on the phone. Only that
even the money when we donate give the man, he said the thing will cost by the man not spend that like this like that. Oh Jesus! Can you my people now they get the point too? Una they get the man play. Wanna listen? Oh, this thing not loud to my liking. Oh Jesus! I'll take do one. I don't understand. It be loud now. The volume be there up.
fine lady.
Mona, listen, my people.
You understand?
Share this video, guys. After this one, we'll look for the one where Benjamin say Mamara break his head. We'll look for her. Picture everything there.
Worry at your own, worry at only my comment. And women will react if we are my colleague. Only the Jennifer Tammy. I know go can I have with I want to go post. May I on my will time when nobody will not react. So when you are the winning among that, okay. I don't want to love no, we don't call it Rayo. Because I have to have banana like you go there, I can't see them. When it covers, we go not on the phone. Only got see it will rob many people.
Hey, awalalawa oh, pray. Awalalawa oh, my people. He said money where me and few of my followers give the baby father. The baby father, she's not concerned how the man will not use the money. Money where you not donate. Money where you not concern you. Oh, God, oh. I'll take on. Oh, when my speaker. I want this is supposed to last. But they clear for on side at all. You not feel manager. You cannot know what to do right now.
But mommy love the weather if you know. I'm a caviar. Because of the my heavy honey.
See the money where me donate my hard-earned money. See the way I create the thing. She won't die. My own hard-earned money when I donate, give that each children way born through away so. People not get shame. See the way she demands. How do you want the man want to spend the money? How the man what did the man do? I to spend that money where you not greet to train your children. You don't greet their food eat. We take it upon ourselves to give them, and you are not stressing on top of it. Now I'll be juju. My people, Mona listen and beg. Mona listen.
Thank you, my amazing people. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please leave us a comment to tell us how you see this video. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you all in our next video. Bye.
That first day, like this is now what it's
let the open everything down. What they hey God, some people don't get shame. In fact, yeah, clear. If you are the year, Mona, let me know.
Anytime, or call him. On our way 20,000 enter, 53,000 enter, 6,000 enter. When come into my way? The need the way call where how much enter everything at 53,000. You know they has in the Okada. You know I'm right yet. Me make come man dey go ni ju where no you. I will say even no, so which work are you the work? One leg. Or because you go put up for the portion. Or when at that
the very day when we donate. Now be that so the next day let this get come out, this shameless idiot. Call the cost ahead. We not get shame. Money when we donate, see the way she dey stretch herself put like say she won't die, like say her life depend on the money. Children, you not train. People where you donate, how the money to concern you, you go the same person where you give your children food. You come at every blessed day, come they sort am. You not get shame. See how they crap for the money for his ass. You not get no shame. At all. My people, wanna listen. More clear.
Glass alumako. Now alumako away years. How much? Or when I'm 50,000, the man talk. But he be the beggar, let the man reduce. The man say, okay, me if I go bring the one way day, me know whether I go reduce. You know, okay, that 20,000.
Please, guys, share this video.
Go give the man.
Share it.
35 or 40. You understand? On a okay, no problem.